We're here at 15811 Cedarfort Avenue in Canyon Country to inspect this single-story masonry fireplace with the ceramic log setup here. You can see off the bat that the gas line penetration hole that needs to be sealed up. There's some hairline cracks in the joints. You can see those there in the joints. A lot of rock, sand, and embers. Proper hearth here. There's no clamp for the damper. And we look up into a smoke chamber that has exposed brickwork. We'll put the camera through here, show you any flaws, anything that needs to be repaired. Right off the bat, that exposed brickwork is going to need to be coated with mortar. And these cracks in the back wall and the joints here are going to have to get sealed up, resealed up. Okay, we're outside in the back here. Painted chimney stack recently. Looks like there's an open joint here. It's going to need to be sealed up. Chimney tap at the top, keep the embers out. Just quick look down your flue. These close up of these horizontal joints here. And more look down your flue. Ground has some cracking. These should have been resurfaced before it was painted. A little bit of lifting here. Some water rolls off the crown and then gets underneath here. That all should be sealed up. There's no cricket. So you can see some leaves from the pine trees, debris. And when the chimney is greater than 36 inches, they ask for a cricket. So again, greater than 36 inches, they ask that you put a cricket, which is an upside down V, to keep water sloping around the chimney. Okay, and we're looking at the original breastplate here. It was gouged out, so we'd need to taper some material from the back of the lintel here to the front of the breastplate, and we'd have to do that with mesh coatings. Use fire bricks though. Get a gap here, so again that should be smooth from right here. Okay, so this is the top of the chimney, the top of the terracotta flue liner. We took the spark arrestor cap off just for light for the inspection. So what we're looking for here in the terracotta liner is any cracks. And then the condition of the horizontal joints that connect each section of the chimney. Slight shift. You can see that from up above when I showed you down. So you can see it's a little bit offset there. The dark surfaces indicate it was used for wood burning before, cleaned, and then these logs were installed. And so here's a good example of a horizontal joint of what it should look like. Nice and tight. And these gaps shouldn't be in there. If we do brighten it up a little bit, you can see mortar still behind the liner. Okay, we spent some time on this, determining that it is indeed a crack in the liner, albeit a hairline crack. Down here is especially where we can see that it's a crack. Okay, getting closer to where we are here. This is the third joint down. Got a little shift in the joint, a little gap in there. I'm going to show it to you again here. Mortar behind. So this is called eroded mortar joints. Mortar that's broken out. Okay, so we're at the transition. This is the smoke chamber down below and the terracotta flue liner up above. A little bit of a gap in the corner here. As we come around, a little bit solid, missing mortar joint there. That's looking pretty deep into the chimney, actually. That's going to need to be repaired. And so this is all exposed brickwork in the smoke chamber, so water's broken through over the years. Caused the original mortar coatings that were out of the brickwork to erode away. There is a damper clamp, however it's installed incorrectly. It's not keeping the damper from closing. Alright, and this is that area in the, we call it the breastplate, the lintel area, that we're going to need to do some meshing off and heavy repairs. So we'll need to actually drill into the mortar, attach mesh with some concrete nails, and then seal in the area to make it smooth, and then resurface the whole entire chimney with 3,000 degree ceramic sealant. So repairs can be accomplished to make this solid sealed mass on the interior that the code requires. There is no structural deficiencies noted. And the spark rest or chimney cap at the top is okay, albeit it's painted. Okay, the last test we're doing here is the carbon monoxide test. We've lit the gas. So we're going to determine if that flaw is causing any carbon monoxide to leak back into the room. And so this is our little carbon monoxide meter. It's trying to check to see if any gas is leaking back into the room due to that flaw in the lintel area. Stick it inside. And that's what it's supposed to sound like if there's a flaw.